In this video, we present the custom precision defined by INRIA. To easily explore different representations of C numerical types, the user should develop its application by the introduction of data type abstraction. But when it is not the case, it's become fastidious to do it after. So we have developed Lara Aspect to do this work. An abstraction of type session begins by an initialization step, and it is ended by a finalization step. After the initialization, the user specifies the type he wants to abstract in its application. Double here. It may also ask the generation of the information of the abstracted type for a predefined type. Float here. The developed mechanism parameterizes the application by the substitution of the references to a type, double here, by a new symbol, by the substitution of the references to math functions by new symbol, because the overloading of function is not available in C, by the substitution of the format expression by new symbols, double or float are not read by the same format in C, by the substitution of the double constant by new symbol. It is required for some type representation that represent the constants in a specific syntax. The parameterization creates some files in which the created symbols are stored. The first one defines the parameters with the original values for each new created symbols. The second one is a template file in which the definition of the symbol must be updated by the user. This file may be used to test implementation of type representations such as at fixed point or half precision, for example. The second aspect is an utility that generates the definition of the created symbols when these definitions may be easily derived from the original one. It is the case for the abstraction of the double type and when the user wants to test the float version. For example, this strategy has been applied to reduce the time of the computation of a betweenness centrality algorithm in the European Anterix project. Clara applies the aspect and generates new file here. If we look one of the components of the application, one can note that the double type is replaced by a new symbol in the generated file. It is the same for the constants. The double parameters are generated in this file with the definition of the type, the extracted constant, input-output format. In this case it is C++, so there is no such expression. And here you have two referential functions, this one and this one. The float version here defines the symbol by float, obviously. The constants are exactly the same. And here you have the float version of the function. In this one, it is a definition, incomplete definition of the template. It can be used after to test a new representation. To conclude for this example, the gain comparing the double and the float version is around 12% for some graphs. This video presented an easy way to explore different representations of numerical types for C and C++ languages. The advantage of the developed strategy is that this abstraction does not require any user modification of the source code.